Today, take a look at the VEVOR socket set. So we got our instructions, and that has a list of all the different models in it. We do have a nice case with it. Like they put a zip tie on there to make sure that nothing falls open. Okay, so we can see these are all 1/2 inch drive. They are drilled out. They are all 6-point. They are all drilled out on the corners, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. There are a hex going most of the way down, so if you need to put that on a lug nut or some type of large head bolt or nut, we can do that. Very nice high contrast on there, so you can tell exactly what that socket is. And they do all have an oil coating on there to make sure they're not going to be rusting when they arrive. So we got our metric on this side. We got our standard on this side. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So no skips there between a 10 and a 24 millimeter. On the standard side, we got 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, 7/8, 15/16, and 1 inch. So again, no skips there between a 3/8 and a 1 inch. We do also have a couple of extensions here. So these are all 1/2 inch drive to 1/2 inch drive. They're also labeled. We got a 3 inch and we got a 5 inch and a 10 inch. And of course, those can be adapted to each other. So if we needed to, we could get 18 inches worth of extension. Now these are impact rated, which is important. So that means that if we need to use these guys with an impact, we'll be able to do that. We don't have to worry about these things blowing apart. So if you line up the detent so it's not quite lined up with that hole, it will slip out, but if you have that locked in, that will hold no problem. So even with a regular old ratchet, that will work. Right now I'm just going to do a strike test on here. We'll tighten that up. This is a 24 millimeter. Got a good fit on there. Check this roller. Little light all the way across. Good fit. So it's an impact, but it's not too thick, so that we can even fit that in with bolts that are right next to the wall. Looking good. So yeah, excellent socket set. Nice having all that variety. Nice that they're all deep well sockets. If you work with 1/2 inch drive a lot, you need a good socket set, that's going to be an excellent option.